on today is welding up a little engine stand for the Evo Sportster motor so that we can start taking stuff off of that and get it ready for paint and cleaned up. So let's do that. I'll show you what I've done here so far is to create this little piece of angle bracket with these slots in it, and those slots are just going to slide right up here onto the rear motor mount, and then a couple of bolts will hold those in place. So next thing we'll do is create a couple of legs to come down here before we get started on the bottom part of the bracket.
Motorcycles.
What's that?
Looks like you got a few motorcycles.
Probably more than I need.
Building a new one?
Yeah, I got a guy who bought one from me and he wants a bunch of custom work done, so that's his there. Alright, so the battery died at some point. I'm not sure how much was missed, but here is the back section of our engine stand. Now we're going to start working on the front. So I've got this drilled, what little remaining angle stock I have. Got that bolt that fits right in there. I'm going to cut this to length and make kind of the same deal for the front that I made back here. And then we'll tie the two together. Alright, now we've got both sides of the front bracket here. Let's go throw these on and see what they look like. Cool. So now I'm going to cut another 12-inch section here, just like the back legs, and weld it up. I think that before I do a final weld, I'm going to put some washers between the motor and these plates, because what I don't want to have happen is everything shrink up when I weld it and not be able to fit the motor between the two legs here. 15-inch section left. We're just going to do one brace down the center. I'm just trying to decide where that brace is going to go. So there we go, guys. There's our $18 angle stock Evo Sportster motor stand. It ain't pretty, but it will do the job. There we go. So we just used our new engine stand to pressure wash this motor and get it all spiffy. Pretty good. Not they're terribly expensive, but you know, why wait for one to get shipped to you when you can just go down to the hardware store and make one? So there we go.